think you're in the wrong spot, bud. All right, we'll go. Here we go. Challenge night time. Wow, okay, really quick start. We're doing a really fun course that has 2 Joker laps right there. We get to skip this whole section. Now, we have done this course in the past. It is a lot of fun, but it's a little hard to pass. So, we'll see what we can do. I would prefer to get some space before I try to use this Joker lap. Maybe I can get the old up and under. I don't know. He's pulling away from me. This kart may have some top speed that I don't have. So I guess we'll see. Ideally, just want as much open space as possible. Yeah, they are pulling away from me. Okay, that's actually great for me. I don't want to be behind this guy, though. I'll say that. I'm going to have to take one if he does not take one. Okay, all right. That was fun. Definitely took that a little too fast. Yeah, so I know last time my camera was a little low. I'm gonna do my best to keep it up, but it is really hard to race and talk and also make sure that the camera is up. So we'll see how this goes. I'll do my best, though. I'll do my best. I really am trying to concentrate right now, so the commentary is a little lacking. I'm trying my best out here. I think this kart is a little slow, so... I'm pretty sure Clay knows that he can just, like, chill here. And... Bro! You can just take the Joker lap. Well, I think we've, well, we haven't necessarily solidified our space in third, but I feel pretty good about it. That's a really tight turn, to be honest. It's actually one of the few places that we can do some trail braking. Like, trail braking actually does work there. Oh, Clay forgot to take another Joker. Oh, never mind. It's not going to matter. Okay. I didn't realize Garrett took both. I keep forgetting that there are cones there. I am going to smack those cones something fierce at some point. All right, good race, good race. We got second from fourth. Okay. All right, well, we're back for another one. I think I might be on the wrong side. Maybe on the right side. No, never mind. I think we're okay. No, I think I was in the right spot. Yeah. I think it works out that he ends up on the inside for the next 2 turns. It's a very bizarre place to... I mean, I don't think there's really a great place to start on this, which I think is the problem. So, you know... Oh, I got you inside there, bud. I got you inside there, bud. You gonna take that Joker or what? Ugh. Okay, stick him behind me. All right, stick him behind. All right. So same format as before, 2 jokers. Same race layout, really fun layout. It is a little hard to pass, which is why I'm glad that there's a joker involved in this. I know in the past we were able to eventually take that turn at like close to full speed. So we'll see what happens as the grip comes up if we can do that. I wasn't able to do it in practice at full speed, but my kart wasn't exact. It was definitely not like a lot of traction back there, so I guess we'll see. Okay. I feel like I don't have to brake there, but I am still braking for some reason, and not really happy about it. That felt a little better. Who's that? Okay. Stay there, bud. Stay there. A little brake there. Hard little trail brake there. Feels pretty good. I'm just remembering back to when we did it before, and I'm like pretty sure we didn't have to brake here. Maybe just lift, I guess. Somebody's here. Clay's here, okay. Alright, bud. We're just gonna go ahead and take one then. Ah! I'm trying to like hit it as tight as I can there. I'm trying to keep as much speed as possible. And I got a little too aggressive with it. Or maybe that's on purpose. Maybe I'm using the wall as my brake. We're just gonna pretend that's what I'm in to do. Because that sounds better. That sounds like I'm not incompetent, and that sounds like I know what I'm doing. Right? That sounds a lot better. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Okay. Ah! Bro! Okay. Alright, well, Joker time. Let's go, let's go! Well, I thought I was far enough ahead, but apparently maybe he had some space there. Let's go! Good race, good race! Well, we're back for the feature race. Qualified second. We'll see how this goes. We got everybody out here right now. And let's go. Thank you, Brian. Thank you. Doing the same format as before. Where we got 2 Joker laps. And, yeah, got everybody in this race. Do not have my booster seat again. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna need some VIP treatment around here. I need to get my seat put into my cart immediately. So funny thing is, it's basically Halloween, right? The nickname for this course that they came upon was the Terrifier, and I think that is an appropriate name because it's a lot of fun, very thrilling. If you want to pass me back there, you better take a joker. Whoever it is back there. All right. Someone's right there. Okay. All right, we may have to take one because we do not want to be stuck in traffic. That is for sure. All right, we're going to go this way. Good. Okay. Did Jackson take 2, or is his car really fast? He is pulling away from me. My goodness. That must be a fast kart. There's Clay. He's back up in here. Get him, Clay. Get him. We're going pretty good right now. Pretty happy. If I get top 3, it's a success. You know. Love to win, but I don't think the kart has the top speed to beat these two guys because they are pulling away from me on the straight, which is not good. I'm doing the turns, I think, quite well because I am, like, catching them in these turns, but then we come out of the turns and I just, like, lose all of the time that I have gained there. So that's probably not good. Yeah, look at them. They're just flying. I think I feel like in the warm-up race, the two people, like, I think 16 and 5 were in the warm-up race, and they were also quite fast there. Who is behind me? Is that Brian? I think so. Great. Okay, there's a person. That's a Dave. Pretty sure Dave's taken 2 now. We still have open space, though. Okay. Feeling like we're doing it well. Where is that white flag? I would love the white flag here. Brian is right on my butt. Okay, great. Okay, well, we got another one, so we're gonna take it. Oh, wow, he hit one too. Wow, good race, good race. I'll take a 3rd place, not too bad. Woof.